say? Push. Come on. Go. 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 There you go. Oh shit.
What are you doing, Phil?
I'm gonna make a shake. What you doing?
Just got done doing legs.
Yeah.
It was crazy.
Secret weapon.
What's that?
Secret weapon.
Oh, there goes my name.
Secret weapon.
So we just did legs, and oh my goodness, for the first time doing legs, and what we used to do, like maybe how many years? 3 years? No, 3 years. Zeke's almost gonna be 3 years.
Yeah,
almost 3 years on the way. We used to do like some powerlifting stuff, like bodybuilder stuff. Okay, so I'm not showing you guys much of me because I look like a hot mess. Even though Zaddy thinks I look sexy.
Yeah.
But it was
Blueberry down, blueberry
a
down.
workout. It was a workout. Now he's just doing his little...
Trying not to mess my car up.
What is it? What are you doing?
Making a shake.
He's doing his shake.
Blueberries.
Okay, so tell him what you had in there.
Some baby oatmeal.
What?
Some
You ain't no baby.
some plant protein because I'm allergic to whey.
What you call me?
I can call you a whey, pinche whey.
Do you guys
and
hear
then,
that? He just called me a
creatine.
pinche. Wait.
Let's see if I don't make a
Excuse
mess.
my language. I hate that my phone's trying to focus.
Ooh, this is gonna not be good.
Looking like a whole mess.
Me too.
No, you looking like a whole chicle. Masticado chicle.
I don't know what that means.
Oh, I just burned you. I just burned you.
You think? 'Cause I don't know what it means. So it doesn't count.
It means gum that's already chewed. I was like, you look like a
Dang, you sound like a hoe.
No, I said you look like a chicle masticado.
Yeah, you said I look like a hoe that's already been used and thrown away. That's rough, dude. That's
No,
rough.
he's not funny. You think you're funny, but you ain't funny, homie. You
I
ain't
need a bigger
funny.
shaker cup. This all didn't fit.
That's what she said. Oh.
Ooh, yeah, that is what she said, ain't it? It all ain't fit. You know what I'm saying?
He got too many jokes. Too many jokes, big homie.
This shake is gonna take a year to make. Fucking mini fucking shaker cup. Stop picking your nose, dude.
First of all, I'm not picking my nose. I'm just checking if there's any gold in there.
Did you find any? It belongs to me.
Okay, so you gotta, can you do mine?
Yeah. I'll try to do this. Which is taking way too long.
My hand is killing me from holding
Okay,
the
I'm gonna have to
phone
make
for
two.
you.
I'm gonna have to make two. This isn't working out how I planned. I look like I got dusted. I
What?
look like a bag of Coke blew up on my lap.
Gosh,
You know what I'm saying? Look at that mess.
yeah, shake that, baby.
Oh, and the challenge.
Shake that. Ew. Can you do mine?
Tomorrow.
Hey. Oh. Why does it keep going hella?
Kinda weird.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
Probably shouldn't be doing this in the car, man.
Probably shouldn't. This is bad,
If my car gets dirty, bro.
Bad idea.
If my car gets dirty.
Who paid for the car?
Okay, first of all, you're paying for the car, but whose car is it?
Zeke's.
No.
Yep. Zeke's car. He just can't drive yet, so you get to drive it.
What?
Okay. Yeah, there's a mess in here. We need a vacuum.
Y'all don't even want to see his work car, bros.
Nope.
It ain't funny.
That's why it's a work car.
Okay, Queen, so I just wanted you guys to see this little... Boy, that's on my face! Just wanted to... Every time I... Babe, every time I try to talk, you always put shit in my face! Let the Let the businesswoman talk.
There you go.
Like I was saying, Queens, thank you so...
I thought I was gonna sneeze. Alright, let's go.
Okay, like I was saying, Queens, this workout that we did today was leg workout, right?
Yeah, we'll throw on some back video from the other day too.
Yeah, and we'll this is more like, it's gonna be like a whole... This one's gonna be, what did we do last time? Back?
Yeah.
And a little bit of shoulders, right?
Yeah.
So we're just kind of adding like the workouts together this time because all this week my husband didn't work. So, oh! That's it.
I had to get over it.
So my husband didn't work, so we decided to do a workout together. Bless you, babe. Salud.
Thank you.
Say gracias.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Gracias.
You're welcome.
What? No. You have to say gracias. But like I was saying, Queens, this was just like a workout that we did together because we checked out this new gym and we're doing Planet Fitness, but Planet Fitness, the weights didn't go up to 100 and my husband wants to start doing hella weight. So, it went up to 60. It went up to 60. My husband wants to go up way more than 60 pounds. So we plan to do, we checked out this other gym because his friend told him about it. So then we're like, okay, let's go, baby. So then we went to go check it out. And then homeboy at the gym was like, well, I'll give you a 3-day pass. And we were like, shh, what? You don't gotta tell me twice, Esther. So he told me and I was so excited. So Friday we're gonna sign up on this one. We're gonna cancel Planet Fitness. But Planet Fitness be playing too many games because now we have to pay a fee of almost $1,000. Just joking. Exactly. Because why would we have to pay for it?
I thought there was no contract, but
right, they didn't tell him. Right, they didn't tell him anything about no contract or anything.
Probably in there. I probably just missed it. But
okay, but
I went by the
anywho, they still
no
right, but they still had to tell you something. But they didn't. We should go up in there and be like, no. But anywho, we gotta cancel it, and now we gotta pay a fee on that Planet Fitness. So if you guys sign up, and then make sure that you guys know that if you guys want to cancel the Planet Fitness, it's gonna be a freaking fee. If it's one person, good, because it's not much. But if it's 2 people, it's a big fee. So now we're over here stuck on a freaking huge ass fee that we have to pay on Planet Fitness on Friday, and then pay on the, a whole new contract on the new gym. But the new gym is bomb, dude, bomb. So we love it. We went hard. This video is gonna be all about back, a little bit shoulders. So we just did a mix of a lot of stuff, and today we did legs, and it was just crazy, girls. It was crazy. We didn't film everything because we kind of wanted to get it done, We filmed some of the stuff, but not all, because when we're in it, and me and my husband are, about the gym, we're just all about the gym, you know what I mean? So when we have to film, it's all like, damn, we can't forget that we had to film, So it was pretty cool. It's awesome working out with my husband, but it kind of sucks too because then it's only 3 days that I'm gonna be working out with him, but it's okay. He wakes up in the morning, does his workout before work, and then I do my workout after he gets out of work. But I don't know. But anywho, Queens, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and let us know what kind of stuff you guys want to see. Next video, we're gonna actually film this next video of me and him. It's gonna be hella dope. It's gonna be taste this, or I don't know. I don't know what the name of it's gonna be yet, but it's gonna be a hella cool, cool video. He's gonna choose 10 items, and I'm gonna choose 10 items, and we're gonna have to guess with our blindfolds to see what it is on our lips, and we have to taste it. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe,
like,
follow,
comment,
share.
Oh, that was first take, baby. That was first take,
Get it,
baby.
get it. Hey. Okay, enough. But subscribe, queens, and don't forget, I love you girls, and we love it, right, babe? We love you guys.
Yeah.
How much do you love them, babe?
I don't know, so I really can't say I love them like that, but
Okay, well, you
I'm
better
sure
not
they're
say
great
how much you love them, because
I'm sure they're great people.
you gotta tell me you love me. You like them. You love me. So again, babe, do you love them?
Circle one, yes, no, maybe.
Okay, queens. Well, I love you girls, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye. Should we do that hand thing that everybody does?
No, we shouldn't do what everybody else does.
It didn't turn black.
Because you gotta fade it out in the edit.
Look.
You gotta fade it
Okay,
out.
queens. Bye.